Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com, making this video about gold. So let's get started here. This is the chart. I'm not going to show all old charts, weekly, monthly charts. You all know that by now. Gold, couple of charts I made on the, I think it's like day before yesterday, 27th, right? Let me show them to you. This was the first chart, right? Harmonic pattern. They were both like harmonic pattern and Elliott wave as well, but I don't want to mix them together. The two different studies. So Elliott wave, a lot of people like it more than Elliott wave because it seems easy, even though it is the same thing. But anyway, so gold 1,000 box size chart, harmonic pattern, Gertley, bullish Gertley. So my first choice or my first option was that maybe this thing is going to go straight to the upside, like this one here from point C. Right. The second is that it's going to drop all the way here to 78%, make this Gertley pattern, and then go to the upside. That's another one, right? Second option. The third option that if it is coming down here, then it's going to come down here somewhere here. And then if you pull the fifth from here to here, there is a different pattern. And that would be this, right? So I made this chart as well, and I gave it to my subscribers, to take care of accordingly. So X, A, B, C would be here, and then you see these two numbers marked. So I said, well, if it's going to drop here, maybe it's going to bounce from either 38 or 23, then go to 127. The trend is up, so this one was more feasible. But anyway, for going to the upside, it has to come down here first, somewhere here, and then bounce. So that's the idea. So I was waiting for that, but I saw, when the market opens up and then this thing start to go to the upside when the session open up, right? So these red candles and blue candles, my system is that when the red candles there, like for example here, right, couple of reversal candle and a couple of red candles, so I can't go long. If I have a reversal candle again to the upside, then I look for long. And if I find a long on a smaller time frame, I take it. So going to the upside here, this is what I found. Well, it was going up and then sideways, and then this is the entry I got from here to here, 25.13, and I took it all the way to 25.28 on the 27th, based on the same thing. Then it started to drop big time, right? And what happened? Let me show you the live chart here. So this is what happened. So the trade was from here to here. Before it was red, so I couldn't go long. But as soon as the reversal candle was there, and I waited for my entry, I found the entry from I think it was like $200 or 150, and then I took that and all the way there. Then it started to drop, right? So then I found out, it's like, I did my research, and then I found that, okay, this could be like wave one, and this is A and B and C. That would be an expanded flat correction for wave two. So this is wave one, and then this is expanded flat. So I said, okay, no problem. Then I waited for my entry here, long entry here. And after this reversal to the upside, somewhere there, you can see the time is 8:28, 19:25. So after that, I was watching my other chart, and which was, let me show you the live chart on the 200 here. That was this area, 1925, right? See, exactly there, right? So after that, there was a reversal candle, and I needed a long entry after that time. So right there, you can see that after a couple of hours, around 1:01 on 9:29, I have my entry here, right? This indicates all the way down. Yellow is above the black, and that's it. And from there on, it went all the way to the upside, and it's still going. So I have the trade still open, right? I may close it, but may not. I'm thinking that take it to maybe 25.31, the last high that we made. So over there, all the way right now, it is 25, 21. So 31 is a long way. So I don't know. I can count in like a small count, like it's wave one, two, and then three, and then it's ABC four and five. Five may not have finished just yet. So may go up a little bit more. Let's see what happens. And this is the trade. Let me show you the entry and all of that was this. You see that? This is, not that account, but the other account on the other computer, I have 150 open. So 150 is a little bit steep, a little bit more deeper entry, right? But clean entry here, and then look what happened after that, right? This is the buy orders right there. So this is how my analysis, and with the analysis, I plan my trade and then trade my plan. Simple as that, right? So you have to, make the charts and everything, calculation ahead of time that this might happen if well, what the heck is beeping, man? This is one of my alarm that tells me that there's a setup on a higher time frame, and after that I have to look for the entry from a smaller time frame. So, for example, here, what is beeping here is euro yen 40-minute long. See this reversal candle is in place and a blue candle underway. This is pound yen, by the way. So this beeping is euro yen. So this is what the euro, right? But it is too deep down there, right? So I have to be very careful, and I need to have a clear entry on the 20. And if the yen index is going to the upside, only then I will take the trade. I had, I took one already and I got burned, right? For maybe like around 14, 15. So this is how it is. I sell hit once in a while here and there, but yes, it came down here nicely, and then it's gonna go up if yen indexes start to go up. Yes, all yen pair will go up, but I'm gonna take this off because it is bothering me now. Now it is off. It's not gonna bother anymore. We go there again. So this is gold. That's what's happening. Now, another chart that I want to show is that it's not gold, but this is how my analysis was for Bitcoin this evening, last evening, right? Yesterday, early. So this is XAB at a 78%. Then it came down to again 38%, just like gold, right? And after that, it wobbled here, and then so I said, okay, this thing will go up because yesterday it dropped big time, a lot. It dropped a lot. Let me show you that this is how big it dropped. Boom, all the way down here, right? So it had to go to the upside a little bit. So now I have my entry here, and then I made the entry from a smaller time frame, and I make the chart, and I post it on the Telegram as well. And then it's supposed to be going to the upside. First target was 60, 187, and I was expecting that this thing is going to break this and then go for this. This is my final target here, 60666. So I put the TP like 60600. And what's happening right now is, if you look at it, what the heck? This is what happened. You see that? So it exactly went all the way there. It hit 6187. It was dropping a little bit, but I says, no, it's going to go up, break it. And now I just saw that it already broke above it. And now very close to my target. My target is 60600, which is just few pips, man. What's up? It's like right here. Okay, right here. So one more push, and then my target will hit. I have a couple of orders on this one, right? So this is how it is. So this is how the analysis based on the harmonic pattern, Elliott wave. If you learn, this is the magic you can do. And when I close the trade, I'll show you. But yesterday, when it was dropping, let me show you that, when the Bitcoin was dropping, I had the trade of the day. And that was, I had an entry, and then it was like not moving and all of that. So I said, I'm too tired. Let me go take a shower, and then I come back. When I went and took a shower, and 15 minutes later, when I came back, it was like this. It was here. And when I came back, I saw it here. So I closed it immediately. But then after that, obviously, this is so much down, a big move, it had to go to the upside. So it made a nice bullish pattern here. right? And then I took this one based on that bullish pattern, but it is not according to my trade setup, not my Magic Ivy setup. It was just another way. I trade different ways. But yeah, I said, well, good opportunity. My setup will come later on, God knows when. But so I said, well, it has dropped so much, so let me just take a small, you know, upside. So this was a nice a setup here, and as soon as I had a reversal candle here, I got the entry, and then look from here to here. 6187. Then it came down again, same drama, and now it's going back up again here, right? So yesterday I closed at 6187, but today I said, well, yesterday it regarded this, but today it may break it, right? So it is breaking it. It broke above it and coming back now testing it, right? So if test passes means that it hold above it, then easily it will go up and then hit my target 60600. And I'll show you the trade. Well, you can see the trade is right there, open right now, right? So, but I'll record the chart and all of that, and I'll show you tomorrow. So this is what happened in gold and in Bitcoin, right? So I hope it helps a little bit, right? And if you like the way that we are trading with the system here, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system, then go on my website here, creativetradingsystem.com, and subscribe, or do whatever you need to do. If you need to learn the whole thing from A to Z, then you can sign up for one-on-one and all of that, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these setups and these videos right on time, so you can take advantage of these setups. Okay. So bye for now, and see you later.